Kabusog, it's Nathan again, picking in another video. So today we're gonna have a tour in Devonian Garden. So yeah, and it's located in downtown Calgary. Calgary. So if you wanna come, it's located there. And mga Kabusogs, and it's in TD Square, and it's very fun if you go with your family. It's gonna be so fun. There's rock climbing, and there's swimming pools, and there's slides, and there's lots of fun things, and there's water fountains, and there's a food court. It's like kind of a mall. It's like an Edmonton mall, but more funner because there's a slide, playground, and everything else. And mga Kabusogs, kanina my mom went there so they can fix my passport so I can go to Disneyland. And you see beautiful trees, and you see water, which is nice. And one time I accidentally hurted myself, and then I cried, so we had to leave. I was so sad in the car. I was so sad. And there is lots of trees. It's like nature, but in a mall where lots of places there. And I went there when I was a baby, and yeah. And I haven't went there for a while now. I only have went there for 2 times. I only went there 2 times when I was 6 or 7. 2 or I forgot the other. So it's maybe 2 or 4 when I went there. So there was literally 2 times. Now I feel like I want to go there 5 more times. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So I want to go there 7 more times. And yeah, I love that place. I want to stay there. And then my mom, and you can eat, and when you go near, there is going to have a train station, and you can go to your favorite spot near it. So when you're done going to your favorite spot, you can just come and look at nature. And yeah, and I wish that all the plants that are in here are safe, and I wish they get watered all the time, and I wish everybody in the world comes here. And yeah, and there is some people that time when my mom was recording, and there's lots of trees. Mostly you'll see lots of trees. I don't know how many trees there are, but yeah, maybe the people are just addicted to trees. And there is water and a turtle, fishy. It's fishy. Oh, mga Kabusogs, you might say in the comments that kind of looks like a movie called Finding Nemo. Oh, have you seen Nemo? No, where's Nemo from? I love Nemo. And yeah. Oh, and in this part now, you're gonna see water in like the middle of the mall, and it's like a big nature in like a big city. Oh, mga Kabusog, you can come here after your work, to like release some stress from your work. And that's what I do when I get home from school. I like read a book or something so I can just take all away of my stress from school. And then after that, my mom says, Nathan, tulog na ha. Pag tulog na, to get stronger and taller. But yeah, I just keep playing Minecraft. And you see lots of beautiful trees. And you will see flags or from those are just made. Some are made of flags and some are actually real flags. Like flowers. It's like nature. I love nature. Now mga kabusog, you're gonna see faces now, different faces. The middle one kind of looks like a monkey. Now this is like the bathroom, I think. Oh, it's not the bathroom. Sorry, mga kabusog. It's like a wall full of leaves, and now we're gonna see lots of more trees and flowers and more nature, different plants, and half of them all I think it's gonna be plants. Oh, and now we're gonna look at more trees and some plants. And you see the signs that say exit. We don't want to go there if you still want to stay. And we see more trees and nature. And there's a whole line full of nature, like trees and like bushes, like those, like nature in a mall. Oh, and if you live close there, you're so lucky, because I'm in Airdrie, and that is in it's in like a city. And yeah, you're so lucky if you are near it. I wish I were you. Yeah. And we see lots of more plants. And mostly in this video, we'll see more plants and plants and plants and plants and plants and plants and plants, plants. Oh, and mga kabusogs, in like the spring, you'll see lots and lots of green, because it's gonna. Oh, in the spring, you're gonna see tons and tons and tons of green leaves and bushes and grass. Right now, it's not good. We only see white, and that is cold. And it is winter. And we see more green stuff. The side one looks like a little lion. Now we're gonna see more 2 trees and lots of plants. Now we see so many trees and a little bit of plants. And now we see half of the mall where it's so big that I think you can even fit giraffes. And they will eat all of the green leaves. Oh, and here you will see more different faces, an airplane and fish. That one with the white. That one with the white. I like that one. Comment down below what is yours. And we're gonna see lots and lots of plants. Dun, 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 dun. If you like the plants in this video, clap your hands in the comments. I love you, mga kabusogs. I love you, mga kabusogs. I love you so much. Clap your hands. I love you mga kabusog so much. I love you mga kabusog so much. I love you mga kabusog so much. I love you so much. And now we are out of the mall. And mga kabusog, I'll give you a sneak peek of the other side of the mall. So here we go. Now here you see stores and elevators. No, not elevators. Those like step thingies. My mistake, mga kabusogs. The walking thingy was an escalator, and you can buy things. And it is a pretty big mall, and it took us long time to drive it. Thank you mga kabusogs for watching, and it really means a lot to me in my heart. Thank you for subscribing. Always stay happy and rise up. And if you haven't clicked the like button, you should click it so you don't miss a single video when I update. And mga kabusogs, always remember, always stay happy and rise up mga kabusogs. Bye! Kuya Nathan is out. Peace!